Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best pergola that you can buy today. Creating an outdoor space that's cool and comfortable can be a bit of a challenge, especially if there aren't any trees to block out the hot summer sun. Thankfully, it's easy to install a pergola that provides shade and style. A good pergola provides shade on hot days and shelter from the wind. We researched dozens of pergola kits, evaluating them on sturdiness, value, ease of installation, and any extra features. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing pergolas. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best pergola, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Backyard Discovery Saxony Wooden Grow Gazebo. You can basically consider this option to be the Cadillac of grow gazebos. With an elegant yet durable cedar construction, powder-coated steel countertops, a corrosion-resistant steel roof, and even power ports, this gazebo will keep your grill safe from the elements and add a beautiful touch to your deck. If you're interested in year-round grilling and don't want to have to store away a grill gazebo during the winter, this is definitely your best option. This gazebo is so much more than a cover for your gas grill. This wooden structure is a built-in entertainment center. The quality cedar craftsmanship means it will last for years to come, and the corrosion-resistant steel roof protects the structure year-round. Resin feet add stability to this grill gazebo so it won't damage your patio surface. One feature you'll love is the powder-coated steel counters on each side of the structure that allow for intimate visits with friends and family while you're the acting pitmaster. It also features an integrated power port so you can easily string party lights or power a blender full of margaritas. This gazebo comes with everything you'll need. It's pre-cut, pre-stained, and pre-drilled for added easy assembly and nearly instant enjoyment. The pros are: it's more than just a grill gazebo thanks to all the great features. It has powder-coated steel countertops on each side. There is a corrosion-resistant steel roof, and it's 100% solid cedar construction. However, it's expensive for a small gazebo. The base covers would be better if they were metal. This is a great quality pergola for your grill that will elevate your outdoor cooking. In at number 4 is the Domi Hardtop Gazebo. This is a great-looking pergola with a fade and rust-resistant galvanized steel roof. It is strong enough to withhold heavy snow and offer unbeatable stability in windy conditions. It has ventilated double tops. This unique design allows wind to pass through, so don't worry about cooking fumes when hosting a barbecue party. This hardtop gazebo can tolerate high summer temperatures and withstand UV rays, providing you plenty of cool shade. It also comes with removable polyester curtains and netting to protect you from UV rays and bugs while adding more privacy, letting you enjoy your outdoor time even more. The arc-shaped roof design is more elegant and beautiful, and the rain flows down the curved roof without a problem. The pros are: it looks great. It's made out of rust-resistant reinforced aluminums, so it's sturdy and durable. The canopy system is double-tracked, so you can slide each layer, and it's high quality. However, it takes at least 2 people to put it together. The instructions could be clearer. This is a great-looking pergola that will last you for years. Just make sure that you put it up correctly. The third product on our list is the Paragon Outdoor Palermo Soft Top Pergola. This stunning pergola is made of rust-free, powder-coated aluminum. It has a Canadian cedar-like finish. The perfect square frame measures 11 feet on each side and is 7.75 feet high, which is adequate to accommodate the tallest of your guests. This features a sliding top canopy. You can manually operate the off-white canopy and get some shade on hot summer days. We live in an area that experiences extreme heat, so this pergola was the perfect option for us. Assembling and installing this pergola is a breeze. The instructions include step-by-step diagrams, and the kit consists of hardware tools you will need, like ground stakes and bolts. You can quickly fix this pergola to a concrete or wood surface. The pros are: it features a manually operated sliding canopy. The aluminum build is rust-free and maintenance-free. It's reasonably straightforward to assemble. The sturdy design has 0 weld marks, and it comes with bolts and ground stakes to attach it to concrete or wood surfaces. However, The powder-coated frame is a rather simple design. This is a great-looking pergola that is easy to set up and won't disappoint. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the YOLENY Outdoor Hardtop Gazebo. This double hardtop gazebo has a polycarbonate roof, the same material that's used in many of the highest quality greenhouses. With 3 layers of protection, it allows sunlight to filter through, yet reduces the heat and blocks out 99% of the sun's dangerous UV rays. The roof is also vented to allow for more airflow and helps to alleviate wind worries. The gazebo features a seriously sturdy powder-coated aluminum frame that's rust and corrosion resistant. A real advantage to this gazebo is that it has double-wall curtains with netting that can be zipped at the corners to keep bugs and too much sunshine at bay. They are UV protecting as well. The 4 legs of this structure have feet with holes, so the entire gazebo can be secured to the ground for additional stability. The gazebo is 9.1 feet tall at the center and 6.5 feet tall at the roof edge. The pros are: it has a strong polycarbonate hardtop. It offers both heat and UV protection. It comes with zippable curtains and screens. It has a rust-resistant aluminum frame that makes it sturdy and durable. However, it's challenging to assemble, and not all the holes are pre-drilled. This is an excellent pergola that will keep you protected all summer from the heat and sun. The best pergola kit is the SORARA Outdoor Louvered Pergola. This patented louvered pergola design allows you to utilize your space on sunny days and even when it's raining. You control the amount of sunlight you want with a premium ergonomically designed louver wand. When the rain starts, you do not have to retreat to the indoors. Simply close the louver roof and let the integrated guttering system protect you from the elements. Whether you are covering a seating area, hot tub, or even your favorite grill, this is the perfect choice. Constructed of a heavy-gauge, aluminum frame and sturdy powder-coated steel louvers, this pergola received a 2020 Red Dot Award for its innovative design. There are no visible fasteners to distract from its sleek appearance. Step-by-step assembly and installation instructions are easy to understand, and helpful videos are available as well. The pros are: it has a great gutter and rainwater runoff system. It's heavy and sturdy when built. You can use this model as a freestanding structure or connect it to your building and create a stylish extension of the inner living area. The slats of the roof can be easily and quickly opened or closed, and it looks amazing. However, unfortunately, this luxury does come at a price. This is the best pergola on the market right now. You can even use it as an extension to your home. It's that good. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.